SOUN has been trying to stabilize after a pretty sharp correction, and honestly this chart is a lot more interesting than it was a couple of weeks ago. The selling pressure has slowed down, but buyers still haven't completely taken control. Price is trading around $6.80, sitting just above support near $6.78. As long as buyers continue defending this area, there's at least a chance for the stock to build a base instead of rolling over again. The level I'm focused on is $7.30. If SOUN can reclaim that resistance with solid volume and actually hold it, then I'd start paying a lot more attention, because that would be the first real sign momentum is shifting back toward buyers. Right now the stock is still below the 50 and 200-day moving averages, so technically the trend hasn't fully turned. That's why I'd rather wait than chase. Overall, I'm cautiously neutral. The chart is improving, but confirmation is still missing, and I want to see demand validate before getting aggressive. If you want my exact execution framework and the setups I'm personally watching before market open, it's inside the Patreon, link in the description.